Hello everyone, good morning. Feel fresh na tayo guys, medyo natuyo na lang ang hair natin. Nakaligo na tayo guys. So kain tayo guys. Mainit pa pala tayo guys. Let's have a coffee. Ayun. Breakfast tayo guys. How are you today guys? Kumusta ang araw nyo? Good morning. Have a good day to all and everyone. Yun lang guys. Have a safe and have a good day ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.